Tapos na. Eh biglang February 26 ng Lunes, ando na kami, alas 9 pa lang, initial schedule ng signing for Magna Carta amendments. Abay, matindi yata ang lobby tungkol sa escrow account at may mga shipping groups na umaalma sa napakaraming requirement daw. Isipin nyo, 7 buwan bago natapos at nakipagbunuan ulit September 23. So, ibig ko sabihin, it can be done. It can be done. If we are determined to make a change in the budget, it can be done. The Anti-Agricultural Economic Sabotage Act suffered the same fate. I know that Senator Villar had a long purgatory of waiting, constantly renegotiating, and meeting with the BICAM, with the congressman, and with the executive to finally come out from 11 December 2023 to 30 September